Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel easily. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. These form the base for our delicious caramel. Also, have ready 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup of heavy cream, both at room temperature. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process smooth and stress-free, ensuring a perfect batch every time. Now combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir gently with a heat-resistant spatula or wooden spoon until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. This is crucial to prevent the sugar from crystallizing on the sides of the pan, which can ruin your caramel. Just let it simmer and do its magic. Continue to boil the mixture without stirring. You'll notice it start to bubble and then gradually change color. It will go from clear to a light golden, then to a beautiful, rich amber. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep a close eye on it, as caramel can go from perfectly golden to burnt very quickly. The moment it reaches that deep amber, it's time for the next step. Immediately remove the pan from the heat. Carefully whisk in the 2 tablespoons of butter until it's fully melted and incorporated. Then, slowly pour in the warm heavy cream while continuously whisking. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble up vigorously. Continue stirring until your caramel is smooth and uniform. Pour it into a clean, heat-proof jar and let it cool completely before using. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Store your delicious homemade caramel in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.